How to message friends in chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device over here. And as you launch the Chrome browser, tap on the search bar and search for chess.com. As you search for it, it will land you to the official website of chess.com. So make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on the chess icon over here at the top left corner. As you tap on it, you can see different options that pops up, so just tap on messages over here. As you tap on messages, here you can see there are no messages as of now, but you can start a game with friends by challenging a friend over here. You can find friends on chess.com and you can make new friends as well. So just tap on these icons and you'll be able to get friends and message each other. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.